Finally, big breaking news is out. If you see, Synopsys just announced a software engineering apprenticeship, and Amazon direct test hiring is also announced. Volvo graduate engineer trainee and a DevOps engineer coming from NEC. But you have to keep in mind that there is shortlisting and you have to update your resume. First of all, go to the video section, just to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and please go and watch this video. Stadium just announced software engineering fresher graduate year 26-27 batches eligible. 2 role is there, and you can easily check there is multiple hiring. You can easily apply, but you have to watch video till end to understand the criteria, and updating resume is compulsory. And one more thing that I don't know why notification क्यों नहीं गई है वो नहीं पता, तो जाके एक बार वीडियो सेक्शन पे देख लेना. Big hiring coming from Synopsys in software engineering apprenticeship as announced. Bangalore location is their internship is going on. If you scroll down, just to see fresh graduate from the 25 batch is eligible. All electrical branches is eligible. CS IT is eligible. Not currently enrolled in MTech. ठीक है, if you did not pursuing MTech, you are eligible, and you are not full-time employed at any company, you are eligible. Means if you are a fresher, you can easily apply. Python, Perl and TCL, you can easily put any one programming plus GitHub and SDLC और Unix Linux सब लिखा हुआ है. 12 month of an apprenticeship is there. Bangalore location, on-site, full-time. Start day is March 2026. तो यहाँ पे सिंपली क्लिक करके अप्लाई नाउ पे क्लिक करना है, बट अप्लाई इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ओनली दीज प्रोग्रामिंग प्लस गिटहब वर्जन कंट्रोल एंड सम SDLC and code reviewing feedback scriptings and software tool is compulsory. These only thing is compulsory, and put your these domain in resume and get the shortlisting mail, because मार्च में ही यहाँ पे onboarding हो जाएगी. So this is going to be a very fast process, so please apply it as soon as possible. Amazon just announced work from home plus direct test opportunity 3 to 4 LPA 12-month contract investigation specialist. If you see, must be a graduate any discipline, and communication is compulsory. 11 states only. Candidate from the following 11 states is eligible. Strong communication is very compulsory. Click on yes and click on next. And if you see, initial processing by AccuJob, voice assessment, telephonic interview, then one online assessment, one interview will be there. That's it. Click on next, and you can check the package between like first year you have to. So first year you can check this is the package, और यहाँ पे yes I confirm पे क्लिक करके next पे क्लिक करना है. Give your full name, email ID, give your phone number and submit it as soon as possible. This is not a normal hiring. This is direct test opportunity, mass opportunity. And mostly you have to communicate, or that's why strong communication or English is compulsory. You can easily put interp as a skill, and you can easily update your resume using interp as a skills, communication, English or written verbal communication. So this is the big hiring for you. Please take the advantage, because work from home and getting the 4 LPA package is very good and very big hiring. Just go and apply for this. Rotational shift is there, and all fresh grads is welcome. Up to 5 years of experience is needed. Immediate joining preferred है, so please complete it as soon as possible. Fill this form as soon as possible. Don't miss this hiring. But please, if you are belonging this states, then only you can apply. ठीक है, hit the apply button as soon as possible. Next big hiring, Volvo just announced graduate apprenticeship trainee student is eligible, means or pursuing candidates is eligible. But something you have to keep in mind, like first of all, problem solving skill, ASP.NET, SQL, database communication is compulsory. And one more thing that problem solving ये सब ऐड करने के बाद तुम यहाँ पे देख सकते हो BTech, MCA is eligible. And one more thing, additional skill you can easily put in resume. So this is big hiring, graduate apprenticeship trainee. Don't miss this opportunity. Hit the apply button as soon as possible. Request ID is there. You can easily take referral. IT domain is there. And what you have to do, just check one thing, that there is the ideal candidate must be flexible to work in new developments, maintains and support flexibility to work in CET shift on call schedule, must be a team player. That's it. ये सब चीज़ें अगर ऐड कर रहे हो and you are good to go with this, then please apply it as soon as possible. Update your resume, because SQL is compulsory, and this is the 1 year of internship. Software engineer role is there, and core platform area in manufacturing assignment is for 1 year. ठीक है, तो बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा. Plus paid internship is going on. We are looking our future colleague to be an inspiration figure. तो यहाँ पे दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. If you are pursuing candidate, you can easily apply. Even 25-24 can also apply, because graduate apprenticeship trainee is going on. And don't be a intermediate, just be a basic level of domain. If you know, then you can easily apply. So hit the apply button, but before that you have to update your resume. Without updating resume, you can't get to see the shortlisting mail, because first round maybe they will give you the first round assessment, और after that they will recruit you. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये है कि इंटरव्यू वगैरह मुश्किल है कि होगा, क्योंकि अप्रेंटिसशिप में इंटरव्यूज़ नहीं होते, नॉर्मल HR वगैरह होता है, तो बहुत ईजी होगा, जल्दी से अप्लाई करो इसके लिए. NEC just announced DevOps engineer, only fresher is eligible, hybrid location UP Noida location is there. Just scroll down and check 0 to 1 year of experience, fresher with project or internship experience preferred. If you don't have internship, then please put a project using which domain, which I will tell you. Please watch video till end. BE BTech Computer Science IT software engineering is eligible, 25 24 23 batches eligible. Now what domain you have to use to put your project. अब यहाँ पे दो चीज़ समझना. पहली तो लिनक्स फंडामेंटल यू हैव टू पुट इन रेज्यूमे, प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट, शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग, वन कंटेनराइजेशन, बट यहाँ पे डॉकर इज कंपलसरी, एंड दीज इंटरपर्सनल स्किल CI/CD पाइपलाइन एंड मैनी मोर इज देयर. सो हियर इज रिटन रेड हैट ओपन शिफ्ट, ठीक है, जो कि कंटेनराइज्ड एप्लीकेशन है, मैनेज करने के लिए डॉकर क्यूबरनेट इज कंपलसरी, लिनक्स सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन टास्क विच इज रिटन. देखो यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट बोल्ड है, ब्लैक बोल्ड, यू हैव टू पुट दिस डोमेन बिकॉज दिस इज कंपलसरी, and put all these domain in resume. Now what type of project you have to build? Any project you can put in resume, like Python, Java, कोई भी project कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें. तो put all these domain which is written here, like preferred skill में यहाँ पे ये बहुत mandatory है, because और यहाँ पे compulsory है एक तरीके से. तो 0 to 1 year of experience, fresher with project. If you are applying, you can easily apply for this, and please update your resume, put not multiple, only 2 project. If you are putting a resume, then there will be highly chances you will get to see the shortlisting mail. And put your domain, means put your project on GitHub and get the GitHub link, attach with the project, ठीक है, GitHub link को attach कर दो. इसमें पोस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, GitHub में बस कर दो. तो यहाँ पे अगर जिसको भी DevOps इंजीनियर का अगर तुम पढ़ रहे हो, तो भाई देख लो, तुम्हारे लिए बहुत बड़ी हायरिंग है, फ्रेशर एलिजिबल है, मत मिस करना, ठीक है. Now what I told you, Volvo, Amazon Direct Test, Synopsys biggest 2025 batch opportunity. Don't miss these opportunities. Just update your resume, because updating resume is compulsory. Otherwise you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. Put all these domain which is written here in required or responsibilities, and hit the apply button as soon as possible. So please do subscribe my channel and like this video, and please go and watch this video. Official hiring is announced. Thanks for watching.